Welcome on the new video. Today we're gonna be talking about fractals, what they are, what they mean, how we can use it with smart money concept, right? So first of all, what is really fractal inside of the Forex, right? And based about the Google, right? When I asked Google what the fractal really is, this is what popped up, right? Fractals are indicators on candlestick charts that identify reversal points in the marketplace. Traders often use fractals to get an idea about the direction in which the price will develop. A fractal will form when a particular price pattern happens on a chart, right? Now, when we are talking about the fractals and how they are forming, right? The fractals are highs and lows, right? Because you can saw by the what the Google said, right, is an idea of about the direction in which price will develop, right? And the reversal points. So we already know that the reversal points for us are lows and highs, right? So when we're talking about the fractal specifically inside of the Forex, in textbook, you're gonna find the idea about the 5 candlestick pattern, right? Now, when we are talking about the 5 candlestick pattern, right, if I draw 5 candlesticks for the high, the fractal is literally this, right? When we have a high that is formed with the 5 candlesticks, we have the middle candlestick that is on top, and then we have 2 candlesticks on the right that are lower, right? Also with the wicks, meaning that the wicks on the candlesticks are lower, so something like a kind of like a pyramid shape, right? All right, sorry for this one. So this should be the fractal. This high over here, this high over here is fractal. Now when we're gonna go on the charts, this high is gonna be having kind of like a cone shape triangle symbol on top of it. That means that that's fractal. It goes same way when we're talking about the lows, right? 5 candlestick pattern, 2 on the left that are kind of like a higher from the lowest one, and then we have 2 on the right when the market is already going higher. And that's what it's the textbook for fractal, right? When we have low over here, we have 2 candlesticks on the left that are higher and 2 candlesticks on the right that are higher. So which low is the fractal? It's the lowest point over here. That's what market traders, of course, say that this is a fractal, right? So we have 2 on the left side that are lower, and then we have 2 on the right side that are lower. So the highest one for us, it's fractal. So this is fractal high, this is fractal low. Now for us, for me personally, right, we could be also calculating as a fractal if we just have 3 candlestick pattern, right? Meaning that we have 1 candlestick on the left that is lower with a wick as well, and we have 1 candlestick on the right that is lower from this high over here, and that would be the fractal high. And then we have exactly the same idea for the low when we have 2 candlesticks, one on the left that is higher than the lowest one, and then the next one, the right one over here, that is higher from this one, and that's gonna be a fractal low. Now what can that mean? It means that you can be kind of like having a sense of a directional basis, right? So for example, if the market is go from the fractal low and break a new fractal high, the market could be in a bullish condition, right? Same goes to the downside. If the market respect something inside of here, maybe institutional candlestick, and we go down and we break the fractal low, that could be giving us a directional bias, right? That could be also break of structure, right? So when we go into the charts, we're gonna see a multiple examples of fractals. So let's go for EURUSD, right? Recent price action, today's price action, where I'm recording this, we could be going to the 4-hour time frame, and let's see where we can spot the fractal, right? Let's begin over here. For example, we have low over here, we have low over here, and then we have low over here, right? This one is higher than this one, this one is higher than this one, so this low over here, it's fractal, right? Let's go over here, market over here, we have a high low, low, and higher low, a V shape, fractal. Another one over here, low over here, low over here, low over here. The right one is higher, the left one is higher, fractal over here. Okay, so you can see every low and every high is fractal because we have those highs and those lows. And that could be really helpful because that could mean that market could be respecting fractals, and when the fractals are broken, that could give you guys an idea where the market is going next and what the market should be doing next, right? If we are, of course, trying to have an indicator, right? If we go over here and just type in fractals, right? These are Williams fractals, and we put it on. This is the shape that I was talking about previous, right? Every single high, every single low that has this kind of like triangle or a pyramid on top of it or below it, that's a fractal low or fractal high, right? So a lot of times, now this particular is based on the 5 candlestick pattern, right? Not 3, just like we said before, but 5. That means that, for example, this one, that why it's fractal, because it has a lower high over here and lower high over here, lower high over here and lower high over here. So that's a 5 candlestick pattern, right? So fractals like this, right, could be also giving you the sense where the market is going for, where the market has the liquidity, and what the market is actually doing, which kind of trends we actually are, right? So you can see we have fractal here, fractal here. So we are respecting this fractal, right? We're creating a new kind of like a higher one. So market is in a bullish condition, right? So a lot of times when the market is gonna give us any sense of reversal, if the fractals are broken, that could mean that we are in a breakout structure condition. That could also mean that the market could be in a reversal condition, which will allow us to get any beautiful, awesome trades off of any concepts that you have learned so far. It can be institutional candlestick, it can be mitigation candlestick, it can be imbalances, so on and so forth, right? But the fractals, right, because there was so much question about it, it's just simply the turning point. The turning point, highs and lows with a 5 candlestick pattern based on this environment right over here and based on this indicator that you can have over here on the trading view, right? Now, of course, it would give you guys a little bit more freedom to really like get this pattern in your mind when we are talking about creating highs and lows, right? And which highs and which low is, of course, the fractal, right? And if you're gonna backtest, you're gonna find out a lot of times, right? We also have market sweeping the lows for the liquidity below the fractal and then reversing, right? Especially if we have fractals that are really, really close, that's where the liquidity potentially exists. And you can see we have it right over here. We have multiple times when the market just went below the previous fractal for the liquidity, and at the end of the day, the market still react and create beautiful move higher, right? So it's definitely a useful tool, right? And it can help you to determine which high and which low is the major high or the low or the high that is actually confirmed in the marketplace. So it's going to be easy for you to determine where the breakout structure is actually going to happen. Okay, so happy trading and see you guys in the next video.